Hello, when you want to install an application or piece of software that was blocked or deleted by antivirus Windows security. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off the Windows antivirus so you can install the applications, or turn on the virus browser to prevent viruses from entering your computer. To turn off or enable Windows security on your computer, first click on the Windows icon, then select the setting. In this window, you select the Update and Security items. Next, you select Windows Security. In this Windows Security, you select Virus and Threat Protection. Here you can scan for viruses, but to disable the antivirus, you select the Manage settings of the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Now you just have to select Off for the items in these Virus and Threat Protection settings. When you choose Off, you will be notified that you want to change the settings, and then you will choose Yes. When you select Off for all 4 items, the Windows antivirus is turned off. Now you can install the application, and the software will not be deleted or blocked. That's the shutdown. In the case of antivirus that you're disabling, the Virus and Threat Protection settings are marked red, and the option is turned on. To enable it, you click on the Turn On button. You will be notified that you want to change the settings, then you select Yes. Then select Manage Settings, and then select On for all 4 items in the Virus and Threat Protection settings section, and then you have enabled the Windows antivirus. Virus and the protection settings have a blue dot. So we've taught you how to turn off and enable Windows Security antivirus so you can install and protect your computer more securely. If you see or like it, share and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Hello and see you again.